morning, one and all. I, Cadet Rohan Vivek Kurekar, and
I, Cadet Krish Prakash Bargad, are your host for the grand event of our school.
we all have gathered here for a colorful, energetic, and entertaining morning. Dear audience, put your hands together to welcome our today's chief guest and guest of honors. On behalf of Padma Shri Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil Sainik School and SPI family, we welcome our eminent chief guest. I request Honorable Commandant and Honorable Principal to escort the guest and management towards flag hoisting.
जय श्रीमान पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विठ्ठल राव विखे पाटील स्कूल के छात्र परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर हैं। जय श्रीमान
A very good morning and a warm welcome to our eminent chief guest. Honorable Shalinidai Vikhe Patil, ex-president, Zilla Parishad, Ahmednagar.
Air Vice Marshal Dr. Rajveer Balwar, he is the Dean of Pravra Rural Medical College and deemed university.
Brigadier Hemant Kumar, medical superintendent of Pravara Rural Medical.
Our guest of honor is Mr. Santosh Brahmane. He is the member of Panchayat Samiti Rahata. We welcome Honorable Commandant Colonel Dr. Bharat Kumar sir, our Principal Honorable Rajesh Magade sir, our wonderful, enthusiastic teachers, my dear energetic friends and lovely parents.
फॉर्मॅट मारून ठेवू म्हणजे मग तुला टेन्शन नाही राहायचं.
Gentlemen, Red Cup, Marcus Moronigi, अनुमति चाहता हूँ. Gentlemen, Red, कुछ कॉलम में मंच से गुजरेगा नंबर अंदर अगेन Red, विकेट लाइन चल. Red, पहले मुड़ेगा, पहले मुड़.
March past is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching in a contingent demands alertness and unspoken coordination.
The drumbeat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thudding feet stir something within us. Besides being spectacular, there is something inexplicably inspiring about a march past is the sense of dignity and the pride the cadets bring to it.
A well-coordinated march past is a feast to the eyes and ears when coupled with some stirring marching music. Right in front, marching under the leadership of Parade Commander Cadet Pratik Pote. He won the Best Cadet Award in NCC camp. He is an excellent basketball player and an eminent volleyball player.
Our first group is of PVPSTI, led by Pranav Sakpal. He won gold medal in state level athletic championship. He is an excellent cricketer and football player. He is very good at academics.
Here comes our third troop of PVP Sainik School. Led by Cadet Shashank Dole, he represented the school at divisional level in karate. He is an excellent football player and he is very energetic athlete.
Here comes our third troop of PVP Sainik School Horse Riders, which is headed by school's Vice Sports Captain, Cadet Krish Marathe. He is an excellent horse rider. He is an amazing athlete.
A hearty welcome goes to our commanding man.
The center of attraction is the band troupe of Sagar Karkhana, led by Nana Sahib Anarthe.
The drill has been trained under the guidance of Shakil Pathan sir.
The uniformity our cadets have achieved is the result of their constant practice and daily hard work they have put into it. our cadets are performing Kadam Tal.
आगे बढ़ेगा बाय मत सामने से समीक चक्र में तेज चल सुनट जल्दी सुनट विश्राम सावधान जय श्रीमान ग्रेड को विसर्जन करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ जय श्रीमान ग्रेड मध्य से धन्यवाद गुड ग्रेड मध्य से तेज चल
I request Honorable Commandant Sir to kindly escort the guests towards the dais.
At this moment, it will not be out of place to recall the memories about our founder father, late Padma Shri Dr. Vittalrao Vikhe Patil, who established the institution to provide quality education and holistic development through the medium of English for the populace of rural Maharashtra.
Now I take this privilege to request our today's chief guest, guest of honors and dignitaries on the dais to garland the portraits of Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Thank you all. I would like to request Honorable Commandant Ma'am to felicitate our today's chief guest, Honorable Shalintai Vikhe Patil, ex-president of Jilla Parishad Ahmednagar. I would like to request Honorable Commandant Ma'am to felicitate our today's chief guest, Honorable Shalintai Vikhe Patil, ex-president of Jilla Parishad Ahmednagar.
Now I would like to request Honorable Commandant Sir to felicitate Air Vice Marshal Dr. Rajiv Bhalwar, Dean Pravara Rural Medical College.
I would like to request Honorable Principal Sir to felicitate Brigadier Hemant Kumar Sir, Medical Superintendent of Pravara Rural Medical College. I would like to request Honorable Commandant Sir to felicitate Mrs. Bhalwar Ma'am. I request Honorable Commandant Sir to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Santosh Brahmane. He is the member of Panchayat Samiti Rahata.
Nirjaneshwar Temple Trust, they want to felicitate our today's chief guest and commandant for the remarkable achievement of this school. Nirjaneshwar Temple Trust is always all-time supporter of Sainik School. They are actually giving prizes to our board toppers every year. We are really thankful to their constant motivation and support. Hello.
I would like to request Anarse Sir to felicitate other dignitaries.
सोनू सोनू पलीकडे जा.
I request Vanita Ma'am to felicitate the other dignitaries on the dais.
Thank you all. A smile is a universal welcome and a melody is a unique welcome. We would like to welcome our today's chief guest with both the expressions smile and melody.
Plato once said, music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to the ideas. Let us witness a wonderful welcome song by our choir group. So let's welcome them.
Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. Wish you to be happy every day. Blossom like a flower every night and day. Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. May God bless you every now and then. Keep you away from sorrow and pain. Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. Welcome, oh dear guests, we are welcome you. On this auspicious day, we are welcome you. We are welcome you. We are welcome you. We are welcome you.
Now let us feel pride and honor in singing our school song.
पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। देश सेवा ईश्वर सेवा हमने मन में ठानी है। हमने मन में ठानी है। कदम कदम बढ़ाते चलना हिम्मत हमें जुटानी है। कदम कदम बढ़ाते चलना हिम्मत हमें जुटानी है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। जात पंथों को जोड़ो जोड़ो हर मन को तुम जोड़ो हर मन को तुम। एकता का नारा देकर सम्मान करो तिरंगे का तुम। एकता का नारा देकर सम्मान करो तिरंगे का तुम। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। इस पावन धरती में जन्मे पद्मश्री विखे पाटिल है। पद्मश्री विखे पाटिल है। इस मिट्टी का सौभाग्य पद्म भूषण मिलैया। इस मिट्टी का सौभाग्य ये पद्म भूषण मिलैया। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विखे पाटिल सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है। हम सबको एक प्यारा न्यारा सैनिक स्कूल हमारा है।
Thank you all. It was a very soothing music. As it is rightly said that every person is entitled to be valued by his best moment, we are fortunate to have with us our dear chief guest and guest of honor.
Now I request Honorable Commandant Colonel Dr. Bharat Kumar sir, Honorable Principal Rajesh Magade sir to introduce and formally welcome our today's chief guest and guest of honors. Please sir.
Jai Hind to all present. in spite of the COVID situation that we have witnessed for about 1.5 years now, we have prepared our cadets for the annual day and fortunate enough to have with us our chief guest, Saubhagyavati Shalini Tai Vikhe Patil Madam, ex-president Jila Parishad Ahmed Nagar. She requires no introduction. She has been the woman behind the Pravara show which is going on today, along with our chairman. She has been president of Shamshid Bachat Gat, and she has played various other roles as a motherly figure to the Pravara family. We have been getting their unquestioned support all the time, and that is why we and our cadets are able to perform the way we have. We also have a very distinguished personality as our guest of honor, Air Vice Marshal Dr. Rajbir Balwar, who has over 44 years of experience with 37 years in armed forces and 7 years at other places. Apart from his doctor's degree of MD, PhD, postdoctoral training, PG diploma in medical laws, he has certificate for NABH assessor, ACLC provider, APTEC computer professional. And he has been bestowed with Best Medical Teacher Award from Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, awarded commendation on 4 occasions. He has won Defense Minister's Trophy as Commandant, Best Hospital Armed Forces, and 12 times Best Research Award. And he has received a number of honors and other awards. He is the Dean Pravara Rural Medical College, and we are fortunate enough to have him here, such a distinguished personality. We also have with us Brigadier Hemant Kumar, Medical Superintendent, Pravara Rural Hospital, who has got about 30 years of service in Army, and he has been MS Pravara Rural Hospital since 4th January 21 of Pravara Rural Medical College and Hospital. We also have with us Honorable Mr. Santosh Brahmane, Member Panchayat Samiti Rahata, and we have other guests with them, Mrs. Balwar. She has graced the occasion. We also have his daughter and 2 little children, and I am sure you will like the program presented by our cadets. Jai Hind.